Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a package with FedEx, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring a package with FedEx, gather all necessary materials and information. Ensure you have the package ready for shipment. Check the contents of the package to confirm they meet FedEx guidelines. Select an appropriate shipping box if needed, ensuring it is sturdy and undamaged. If you're using your own box, seal it securely with packing tape. Now, measure and weigh your package using a scale and measuring tape. Visit the FedEx website or open the FedEx mobile app. On the website or app, navigate to the shipping section. Enter your package details, including dimensions, weight, and destination. Choose your preferred shipping service based on delivery speed and cost. Finalize the shipment details and review all entered information for accuracy. Proceed to the payment section and enter your payment details. Print the shipping label that is generated after payment. Carefully attach the shipping label to the package, ensuring it is clearly visible. If applicable, include a packing slip inside the package for the recipient. Next, decide how you'll send the package. You can choose to drop it off at a FedEx location or schedule a pickup online. If dropping off, locate the nearest FedEx drop-off location using the website or app. Take the package to the designated drop-off location. Hand the package to a FedEx employee or place it in the designated drop box. If you scheduled a pickup, wait for the FedEx courier to arrive on the scheduled date. Keep your receipt and tracking number for future reference. Track your package using the FedEx tracking tool for updates on its status. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your package with FedEx. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.